last but not least, let's also connect a small microphone to a jack connector. So this is something that I recovered from an old computer. So it's like this, the black is the ground, the gray is the signal. Okay, let's do it like this. So I separate the two wires, then I peel off the plastic insulation just a little bit like this. Then I twist the wires before soldering them. Okay, see, this is the little microphone. And this is a jack connector I had. So I cut this because I don't need it. Okay. And then I want to connect the two signals together, which is left and right, but this is a mono microphone, so it doesn't have two directions. Okay, something like this. Yes, we have to be careful not to touch the ground. Okay. And now we solder them. So let's turn on the hood. The fluorescent. Let's put a little bit of tin solder. Okay. So now we are connected together. Let's put the solder also on the ground pad. Okay. I want to make it a little bit shorter. Actually, something like this. And I cut the edges also a little bit. And now we can put the solder on the microphone, like this. Okay. 1 and 2. And now let's connect it here. So let's do something like this. Okay. So let's take some solder. Okay, one connection is done. Let's do the other one. Okay. Let's trim it a little bit. Okay. So here we have our microphone connected to the jack connector. This is something that we can use to put it here as a small microphone. Okay, good.